Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Appreciate you tuning in once again. So it's Father's Day. Father's Day, yes sir. So I want to wish everybody happy Father's Day. And don't forget to thank your Heavenly Father, the main father, the big guy, the main father of them all. Uh, you know, that's awesome. So everybody, happy Father's Day to all you fathers. And go enjoy a nice dinner with your kids. Get out of the model room for a little bit and go see the family. Because we all know how to, oh, it's 1 o'clock in the morning already. You're like, well, I should go out and see what the family's doing. Oh, they're sleeping. Oh, that's the way it goes for me. So anyways, happy Father's Day, guys, and enjoy your day and spend some time with your kids and yeah, have a good one. Other than that, we got a bunch of stash ads. We got a bunch of things going on. We also have a new channel going on. So I started my second channel. Why? Well, I don't know, because I could barely keep up with this one with work and everything. But, you know, I thought, hey, why not? Let's just add something else to the list. And this channel is full automotive. So this is KI Automotive. It's capital K, capital I, Automotive. And it's all about one-to-one real cars. We're doing some how-tos, just showing you just things we're doing. Did a big barn find here recently. So we got all that on there. And we got a lot of videos coming up for that. Also, you know, just some things I see at the shop, just some cool things I see. I'll just kind of implement those in the videos as we go. So I appreciate you. Check that out. It's KI Automotive, and there will be a link in the description below for that channel. Like I said, we just posted it yesterday, and there's 2 videos on it, so we're slowly working on that one, getting that one going as well. Other than that, Gallery.com, our friends at Gallery, have a huge Father's Day sale going on. They are having a 24-hour sale at 55% off on select items. So go check out their website and get yourself something cool. That's 55% off. That's a pretty big deal. So that's pretty good savings. So there'll be a link in the description below for that as well. Check that out at gallery.com. Speaking of .coms, we got a bunch of stuff from Hobby Models. I got a bunch of goodies from them. So Mark sent me the package over here, and we got a lot of goodies. So we got just a lot of paints, all that kind of fun stuff. So first off, we got is a set from AK. This is a rust and exhaust set. This is a liquid enamel pigment. I'm never used this before, so we're gonna try it, and I'll do a video on using it. So you get 3 different colors. Let me put some glasses on. I can't see that up close. Oh, there we go. Okay, so you get 1 bottle of standard rust. Then you get a bottle of old rust. Then you get a bottle of Arch, O-C-H-R-E rust. Okay. Yeah, check that out, guys. I'm going to give that a try and see, because you can see the colors are very distinctive amongst each other, so we'll try that out. So I got this mainly because I am retiring the snowplow. I mentioned to you guys before, we're taking it out of the car show circuit, the model car circuit. And a friend, Bob Pedersen, over at Midwest Scale Models, he built the same truck. He built that Mobius snowplow, identical to mine, but he did his in a brand new version. So this September, they're having a big model show in Wisconsin. So we're going to head over there for that. There'll be more info on that coming up here pretty quick, because that show's kind of around the corner. So that'll be its last run at the shows, is that show right there. So we're going to set them side by side, so that should look pretty cool. I'm looking forward to that. All that fun stuff. So back to Hobby Nut. I'm not getting sidetracked. I just get easily interested in things. So I like to say it. So a while back, I mentioned to you that I had like multiple bottles of the semi-gloss black by Tamiya. Long and behold, I've been working on stuff and I am depleting of it. So I'm getting low because I'm out of my black primer. That's like hard to find from Mr. Hobby. So I've been substituting it with the semi-gloss. So we got another bottle of LP5. And another thing we got from Tamiya, this is a bottle of flat yellow LP80. Wow, there's those glasses again. I should probably just keep these on. Let's just go that way. Bottle LP80, there we go. So I like to paint my shocks yellow, because old school shocks were like the old Monroe shocks. They were always yellow. And I find painting them first with flat, it covers very well, because you know yellow is a hard pigment to color. Just it doesn't cover very well unless you give it a lot of multiple light coats. So the flat paints usually cover very well no matter what color they are. So that's what we got that first, and then we can do another coat over top it with, if we decide to do gloss, or we could do a like a gloss clear over top of that. Last Tamiya we got here is the this is LP60. This is NATO black. I love the black paints, especially the NATO color. This is almost like a green hue to it. It looks really, really good on certain stuff. I did a little video a while back on black paints, on where to use them, when to use them. And looking at that chart, the NATO black really, really sticks out. It's very interesting to see that. So other than that, moving on, we got some, what else do we get here? We got a bunch of goodies here. I really haven't dug it all out of the box yet, so I just kind of winging it as we go here. So we got a bunch of goodies from MCW. So you guys know I like my MCW clear and my hardener. So we got another bottle of hardener. This is the 1003E. This is for the enamel hardener. Now the enamel hardener, you don't have to use it if you don't want to. I find it does make the paint a lot shinier. You know, just got to use it with care. You know, you don't want to put too much in, but put enough in it to make it happen. And also, it's nice because I have my Suzbake oven, my food dehydrator over there, but it's nice to put the hardener in, because I can leave it sitting there for almost a day without even turning it on, and it's pretty much dry to the touch at that point. So the hardener does make a big difference versus not using it. So if you guys are using it or not, you don't have to, like say, but I like it. I recommend it. I think the paint jobs turn out a lot nicer, and they're a lot more friendlier to work with if you're going to polish it or whatnot. They're more forgiving. Let's go that route. So other than that, we got another bottle of clear. Actually, I got 3 bottles of clear. So this is the MCW clear coat, and this requires hardener 1013EH, and this clear is 107E. Yeah, so I got this. I think I have 2 other bottles of hardener here, so that's why I didn't get any extra hardener. So like I said, we got 3 of these total. Another color we got, I love this color for silver. This is one of my favorite silvers. This is a Ford color. I see it all the time on these vehicles. It's almost like a black metallic, and it's not really black metallic. It looks like it. This is called Iconic Silver. I think this is such a great color. I've done a few models in, and man, it just looks fantastic in this color. It sprays really well. So, you know, sometimes you get some paints, they just don't lay down that nice. The color, the pigment just isn't good. This here, this is a good one. This one sprays really nice. So this is Iconic Silver MCW enamel. This is 202032E. Awesome stuff. Another really cool color that sprays very well. Very, very well. This is Pepper Gray Metallic. So everybody knows the old Gone in 60 Seconds Eleanor, the second show, not the first one. But this one here, they had the Eleanor, the Shelby in that one. And that one was Pepper Gray. So this is that color that was on the car. And this color sprays beautiful. This is 2182E. Pepper Gray Metallic enamel. Another cool one. Last color we got from MCW. This is Cactus Gray. This is another really cool color. I see this on a lot of vehicles. This is also a new Ford color. This is 202132E. Like I say, Cactus Gray enamel, so check that out. Other than that, we got, so I needed some more Mr. Tool cleaner. I like this stuff. It's not bad. It goes a long ways. I'm on my other bottle, and it's like anything else, guys, it's getting kind of hard to find. So I got the little sample size here. I still got some left in my big 400 milliliter bottle, so we're just going to add that to this. I had to try it, and I'm probably going to be all full on with this, is the MCW thinner. This is the new thinner that they come out with at No Lie. You guys have heard about this and seen it. We're going to give this a try. This is the same as what I've been told as Mr. Hobby Leveling Thinner. So check that out. Made in USA. USA. So, yeah. So you actually get more in this than you do Mr. Hobby. And I believe that's about the same price, I think. So this is a 16-ounce bottle, or 470 milliliters versus your 400. So you get that extra 70. That's where you get that. But they've said they've tested on multiple brands. So this works on MCW enamels, Tamiya X, XF, and LPs. So basically all Tamiya paints. Mr.Color solvent base, Humbrol enamel, Tester enamel, True Color, AK real lacquer, and many, many more. So guys, try this out. I'm going to give it a try, and I believe they said it is exactly the same as the Mr. Hobby leveling thinner, which is like an organic thinner. So looking forward to using this. So other than that, we have a bunch of goodies from Alclad, Alclad 2. So we got 6 bottles of this stuff. I actually love this stuff. I think it sprays really good. It lays down so nice. It's amazing. It's nice. It's pre-thinned. It's a lacquer. And you just pipe it into the airbrush and away you go. And I love it. I love it. It lays down so smooth. It's just a really, really nice product. So we got, like I say, we got 6 bottles of this. So we got the Alclad 2. This is the lacquer. This is the aluminum ALC 101. Really cool stuff. Another one we got is a airframe aluminum. This is ALC 119. This is almost like a chrome sheen. So we're going to try to get back on the DeLorean. My buddy Tony stripped it down for me. So we are back in action here. So thankfully it didn't take off my filler I put in there for the doors, because they had a little bit of a body line. So we're going to repaint this. We're going to get back on that guy. I think I'm going to try it with this paint here. We're going to see how it works. I'm going to do some spoon testing first and try it first. Because I think I got a couple bottles of that, I think. Let me look. No, I got 2 bottles of aluminum. So we got another bottle of aluminum, ALC 101. So another bottle of that. And this one we have stainless steel. So this is the color I originally put on the car. And this has kind of a blue hue to it. Like some stainless does. So it's not the color I was really looking for. I probably could have put this on and maybe shot it with something over top of it, but we went too far with it, and that was as far as it went. So that was ALC 115, that's stainless steel. Really cool color. We got 2 more here. So we got exhaust manifold. This is kind of a brownish black. I can kind of see some of the pigment in the bottom there. This is ALC 123, so that's an easy one to remember. And last one we got from Hobby Nut, this is magnesium. This is a really cool color. I tried this on that DeLorean also, but I didn't have enough of it here. And this is a really sharp looking, so this looks really good and all that stuff. This is ALC 111. So go check that out. So check out hobbynutmodels.com. He has tons of ALC. He has tons of Alclad 2 lacquers down there, guys. So most of my paints, I would say almost all my paints come from Hobby Nut Models. So check out Mark's inventory, and he has a full line of mission paints, all kinds of good stuff, AKs, the markers. He's got a little of everything down there. So check him out and get yourself some cool colors for that next awesome project. Like I say, happy Father's Day, guys, and go down and check out that 55% off sale at gallery.com. Other than that, I think that's all I got for you. So, yeah. Okay, guys. We will see you on the next video. You guys have a good one, and thanks for tuning in.